Welcome to my channel, everyone. This time we have a Ryobi P204 cordless drill that I picked up that somebody had put out for the trash, and it's kind of locked up, so let's see if we can save it. We'll try to fix it. If we can't fix it, maybe at least we can figure out what went wrong with it. So let's have a look at this thing. Here we go. Here's a Ryobi 204 drill, cordless drill that I picked up as a roadside freebie. Unfortunately, the battery I picked up does not fit this. It's a Craftsman battery model 110980. However, the good news is I do have some Ryobi batteries, and I put one in this drill and it seems to be locked up pretty good. So I propose that we take it apart and see if we can fix it. And even if we can't fix it, maybe we can at least find out what's wrong with it. So let's get into it. This chuck was completely stuck, and I shot some PB Blaster down in there, and that didn't seem to help. So then I dribbled some PB Blaster down here in this part of it. Took some water pump pliers and just kind of worked it, kept working it. Finally it broke loose. So the chuck is operating now. Still needs a little bit of lubrication, but it's working. So that's good. The drill still doesn't work, but I see some corrosion on the contacts right there. So I'm gonna hit that with the emery board just to see if we can get it to move. I don't think the emery board's going to cut it. I'm going to use a file. See if I can file those down a little better. Clean them up a little, really, is all I want to do. Bingo. All right, it works. So let's take it apart and give it a good cleaning. I have another Ryobi cordless drill that I picked up at I think a yard sale one time. I forget what I paid for it. Not much, $5 or so, I'm guessing. Anyway, I bought a battery and a charger. So I happen to have the right battery for this one. Okay, Magic 8 Ball, what's your decision? Should we tear this thing down further or not? I have consulted with Ryobi and the Magic 8 Ball, and their opinion is that we should not tear this thing down any further. And I believe they're right. So I'm going to clean it up just like it is, lubricate it as best I can, and clean the case up, put it back together. I soaked the case halves in some Dawn dish detergent and water for a while. Scrubbed them with a toothbrush. And then I put some, I used some Meguiar's Quick Detailer on them. They're pretty rough. You know, this thing's led a hard life, and it's been beat on quite a bit. But I still think we can make it look a little bit better. So I tried some Armor All on this side, and I have some of this Meguiar's Hot Shine Tire Spray. Now I know this is a little outside the box here, but let's just see what that might do to this. I may regret this. Let's let that dry a little bit, and then we'll compare them. This is the Meguiar's Hot Shine Tire Spray and Armor All. I think it's the Meguiar's for the win. So let's shoot some on the other side. Another coat, maybe. If some's good, then a whole lot's better, right? Okay, we'll let that dry. We decided not to tear this thing down any further, and I think this is about as good as it's going to get. So the next thing will be to put it back together. Well, she's certainly not pretty, but it does work. It's a usable drill. It's all locked up tighter than a tick when I got it. And it works okay, man. So, it's a user for sure. And the price was right. Well, I'm glad we were able to save that Ryobi drill. I think it's going to be a useful addition to the garage here, although I have quite a few other electric drills, both of the cordless and corded variety. So anyway, it was fun fixing it up and cleaning it up, and hope you enjoyed the video. So please leave me a comment, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.